How to make money with Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can make your money with Amazon affiliates on Pinterest. So let's get into it. Now there are a couple of things that you might need. First things first is a Amazon affiliates account. You can go to the Amazon seller account and create your account, or you can log in with your Amazon account. It'll give you the option to find a link over here. Whenever you click on the product, it'll give you a site rip. It'll give you some tools that you can use to create affiliate links for Amazon products that you can go ahead and, promote on Pinterest. Now, there are a couple of ways to do this. All right. One of the things that I think pretty easy to use is if you come over here onto Pinterest, right? Right here, if you search for Amazon finds, you'll find all these different items, all these different images, videos of people using Amazon products, right? And that's pretty much it, right? So let's say this is this a video? No, this is a wallpaper. Let me see which one is a video. This one is a video right here. Let's open it up, play it so that you can see it and how it works. So yeah, this is how the video looks. It's as simple as that. Here, there should be some sort of a video, right? Like this one, mini fridge restock. Like this one, basically showcasing the product, how it looks like. Looks really good. Okay, so this is a much better example of what I was talking about. So we're using and showcasing the product, right? You can see right here, pretty simple video. Open them up, just restocking the mini fridge with a bunch of drinks, bunch of milk, some snacks, and that's pretty much it. This is how you're mainly going to be promoting your Amazon affiliate products, right? So it's as simple as that. Now, how do you do this? Again, you go to Amazon, right? You find the product you like. If you have the Amazon seller account, you can always get the affiliate link. I'm going to try to log in because there is some issue with my Amazon account. For some reason, I can't try to log in, but let me go ahead and try it. All right, here we go. So now I have the associates account, right? So now we can see this is my store ID. It's pretty simple. But yeah, you basically come over here and this is the tool. This is the tool that I was talking about. You come over here, you'll find the sitestripe tool. This is the tool that I was talking about. Whenever you go onto Amazon, you're going to use this tool and boom, you're going to find a link over here that you can go ahead and get started with. So if I go ahead and sign in into the Amazon account, 1 second. All right, you can see right here at the top, it says sitestripe, right? That is the tool that I was talking about. If you go on to any of these products, right? So for example, this is the mini fridge, right? If we will try to find a product similar to this one, let's go ahead and let me dismiss that.
First of all, I gotta tell you this. If by any chance you want to collect leads from Google Maps, I have a perfect tool for you. It's called Lead Sniper. The link for it you can find down there. Few clicks and you scrape all the leads you need. They have free trial, which you can just use right now to see whether this is for you or not. And from there, it's a one-time payment. It is basically an extension, which works like this on Google Chrome. You find your area and then you just type in the keyword. Let's just go with barber or maybe barbershop. Click on the start button and then it's just gonna list out all the barbershops in your location. You can see the number of leads here, and of course you can export all of it into CSV file. On Lead Sniper, they've got a few other products such as Google Search Scraper and a few other ones, but Google Maps is the one I use the most. There's an installation guide for you as well, and if you ever feel stuck, there's 24/7 live chat support for solving all your problems. And as I've told you, pay once and export leads forever.
Just search for mini fridge, right? Let's see what we get. So we got all these different ones, right? Pretty simple. Although this one is, what type of shape is this? This is a mini fridge in the shape of a bear. So I don't know what's the name of this, but yeah, we can search for a bear mini fridge. I don't know, right? Let me search for bear mini fridge. Let's see what we got. We got all sorts of, well, you know what? These actually look pretty good. They have some sort of a retro vibe to it, but we can go ahead and get started with these ones, right? If I open this up, at the top, we have our site strip. We click the get link button once, but I can't get the link button right now because my Amazon Associates account is not completed as of yet. I still need to upload a bunch of details like my bank accounts, my bank details, all of those stuff, which will take quite some time. So I'm just skipping that. That's why I can't get the link option over here, right? But yeah, you just simply get the link option. You can see right here, it's currently deactivated, but you can click on that link and over here, it'll give you the associate links. Then you can copy that link, all right? And you then, once you have a product similar to this, you need to go ahead and buy it for yourself one time. to showcase the product, right? It's sort of like an investment. Then you just showcase the product, you using that product, and then it's as simple as that. And you can see other people are doing the exact same thing, right? It's so simple, so easy. Like this one right here. If I click on it, it's a simple video showcasing the product. It's a table lamp right here in the shape of a toaster with the bread lights up, which is kind of cute. These products are relatively inexpensive. They're fun to have. They're cool to look at. That's the type of products we need. Products that are not expensive, that are almost cheap, not too cheap, but relatively cheap, and they're cool and easy to use, and they're fun to look at. That way people are going to buy those products. And this just does not apply to Pinterest as well. You can do this exact same thing on TikTok. So if I come over here onto TikTok, I go into the search bar and I search for Amazon finds, and here you can see all these different options, all these different people. You can see, look at the views. Look at the views. There's no way not at least 2-3 of these people have bought one of these products. A couple of people, maybe 100 people have bought one of the products using his link, and he's generated a good revenue. So you can do this exact same thing, not just on Pinterest, but on TikTok, on Instagram, I don't know if you can do this on Threads, but you could try it. So this is pretty simple,
Amazon
tool.
favorite.
Look, showcase the product, right? How cool it is. It's a vacuum cleaner. It fits into your car. It's simple. It's easy. It's small. It has multiple
4
usage.
different nozzles, allowing you to do
You can go
everything
ahead
from
and
cleaning
clean
your car,
with it,
furniture, and other messes
corners,
at home,
kitchen,
to adjusting your keyboard and
keyboards,
other
desk,
delicate items,
camera
and even
lenses.
compressing
You can
storage
use-
bags.
It has a suction pump within it too, so you can just simply go ahead and Velcro seal
It's
people
also
stuff to
super
it,
convenient
and
to have.
and it's easy to clean as well. Look how easy this video is. All right, under 15 seconds, showcase us most of its use cases, pretty much all of them. People are here. Where can I get it? Link, please. We go into her profile. Link is right here, bio.site, right? And that's exactly what people on Pinterest are doing as well. So go into their site. They'll have some sort of, website over here. Open those up. And boom, we got all those products over here as well. Pretty simple, right? So now we can just simply get started with this one. And whenever we buy one of these products from their website, they get a commission. Same thing with over here. Anya Boomag over here. She has all her products right here. Snail soap dispenser, food saver, tea infuser, coffee station, knee massager, all these different ones, right? If we were to go ahead and buy them, right? Let's say this one, the soap dispenser, the snail soap dispenser. Open the button, it'll take us directly to the Amazon website, right? And boom, when I buy it, she gets a simple commission. She gets a small commission. It's as simple as that. And again, you can do this exact same thing on Pinterest as well, because a lot of people are doing it. You can do this thing on Instagram. You can do this thing on Pinterest. You can do this thing on TikTok. It's simple. It's easy. It works. This is pretty much it. This is how people are using Amazon's associate or Amazon's affiliate products or affiliate links. So if you watched the video so far, then you know now how this website works perfectly and how you can use it to make money online and how you can use it to start your own business online as well. Just make sure to do everything I did in the video in a step-by-step manner and you'll be good to go. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.